Okay, we're going to do test route today. I will guide you where we are going, and if anything important comes, then I will let you know. Yeah? And I will explain you in the test time what should you do, what thing we have to do, and what thing we don't need to do. Yeah. Okay. We're starting a test route here, and the first thing he will say turn right in next junction. So in here, this is very important junction. Very careful. Very quickly, left side car can come. Yeah. In here, the 10-mile speed until this barrier. Yeah, and examiner will remind you as well. Keep 10-mile speed, no more than that. After that is normal speed, and next traffic light we turn right. Yeah, you can build up the speed. Traffic light, turn right. After turning right, keep left lane, and then after first traffic light we go on the right lane, and next traffic light turn right. I will explain you again. This bit looks like too much. Okay, come back to the left lane here, and now after passing this traffic light, move to the right lane. Going to the dual carriageway. Yes, check right mirror, give right signal, and move to the right lane. So keep right side. I'm going next traffic lane, not this one. If you see this arrow going straight, so we can't turn right here. Keep in the right lane here, and we turn right. So try to remember this thing, yeah? Yeah, keep going. Your light is green. Turn right here. Okay, keep to the middle lane, but test time, you have to come back left lane, and then examiner will make you do the second lane. He will say when is a safe, you can change the lane. So you should change mirror signal and change the lane. And why we changing this lane? Because left lane is going on motorway M60 towards Stockport, so we're going straight to Chester side, so we keep in the middle lane. And keep remember, this is a 30-mile speed until we see the sign 40 is coming in a couple of miles. Here is 40 starting. Build up the speed, make 40. Okay, so first thing we should keep remember traffic light, how we turn right there, which we did. And now second thing in here, he will ask you to change one lane again. So we are in the middle lane. At the moment is the left lane. After that, this bridge becoming 3 lanes. So either he will say use the appropriate lane, or he say come back to the left lane. Is the same thing. In both cases, you have to change one lane because normal driving position is the left lane. And you see the 50-mile speed starting as well. The signboard. So you have to build up the speed a bit more. Whenever we change the lane, we have to increase the speed. Then we're changing the lane. Okay. Big 50 mile in here. Keep going straight, not yet. Now try to changing the lane, check mirror and signal. And if it's a safe, then pick up speed you can. Someone flash you, you should take the advantage if it's a safe. If it's not, then you have to. Okay, now after that he will say, okay, we're going to take the exit. Yeah. So after this bridge, we have to come back on the left lane again, and we're leaving the exit. What is this? Okay, come back left lane now again. So that's we're changing the lane now, leaving the dual carriageway. And the next roundabout is coming. coming, first roundabout comes there, he will say we take the third exit right. Make position close to the right line here. So keep close to the center line. We don't give the signal. We're now going to join the motorway again. So keep close. After this, in here, when you're approaching to the signboard, this one roundabout, check right mirror, give right signal, and then we approach the roundabout. So this roundabout comes the first one, and we're going third exit right towards Altrincham. So what we need to do, passing first exit, then as soon as go to second exit, just after that, center left to mirror left signal, and we come back close to the curb. Yeah. So now I'm watching in here. Look, keep right signal. So this is the first exit. Yeah. Start looking left mirror here. Pick up speed. Pick up speed. This is second. Yeah. Give left signal. Come back close to the left side. Mirror as well. We didn't see the mirror. Keeping close to the curb. But don't worry about these cars. They will wait for you because they're going inside or in the roundabout. Yeah. So this is your third exit right. Okay. Now next road we're turning left. Yeah, that's better. Make sure when you're turning, controlling your speed, not too fast, not too slow. It's starting 20 mile speed here. Can you see that? So this speed will stay all the time 20 miles until we're going to the traffic light, and there's a tram starting there. Turn left here. Yeah, I will show you that. So keep in mind all the way is 20 mile speed. Yes. It will be around about 10-15 minute drive. So all is 20 miles. So when is the tram comes, traffic light, and then we're turning left from there, and that will be starting 30 miles. Okay, can you pull and park in a safe place, please? You know that in the test time, 3-4 time, examiner will ask you to pull and park in a safe place, and then move off. Yeah. यहाँ से हम ये ख़त्म कर रहे हैं वीडियो. तो ये मैं सिर्फ रिमाइंड करा रहा हूँ, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट हमारा है वीडियो का. तो मैं अभी इसके बाद दूसरा शुरू कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है.